Well, the weather was sunny and I was coming out to the lake for a swim, and on the way over here the weather's decided to do this, just start bloody fucking raining. But I'm committed to go and have a swim, alright, so here we are at Lake Eacham. Beautiful spot, not many people are here, which is pretty good. I'm heading to the jumping tree right now and we're gonna do some jumps. That's fucking sick. You can see the rain just like, wow. Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like.
Get that, oh that fucking lizard's still there, look. Hey bro. I don't want to fuck with him too much, so I'm gonna just walk past you. See you, bro.
That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ayy, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation. Hater plotting my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line. Bottom feeding niggas out of line. Turn your heart rate to a dotted line.
Alright, let's get it here. I am feeling so refreshed right now. Whoa.
Yeah. If I look
There's like a
way,
little, I'm going to reverse it in that little bay there and then we can turn around.
and then what?
Walk up the hill. Well, I did not expect to be coming here this afternoon. Couldn't actually get past this part up here. It was just, it's too wet, alright? Shut up. And we're not far from the top, so we're just walking. Oh, this is so good. This could be a commercial for, what brand are those pants?
I told you, not a Jane.
Look at that.
That's the farm.
What is happening? Today is Wednesday. I don't really have much planned today except for heading to a waterfall. I don't know, something like that. Doing something crazy like usual, because you know, my life is crazy. I really don't want to make breakfast, so I'm actually considering going to McDonald's. Yeah, fuck it, we're going to McDonald's. Is there anyone out there that actually enjoys McDonald's chips? Because that's like a 4 out of 10. So nasty. Not a fan, eh? There's a garden out the front of this place that my mum wants me to rip out. So you got to keep your mum happy, guys. I'm going to rip that shit out right now. Alright, so I'm busting out the old camera today because I have no idea how to do a time lapse on this one. This thing has seen some better days for sure. So I'm going to swap to the old camera in 3, 2, 1. Oh, here we are. This camera feels so fucking weird, man. Let's get this bread. That was so easy. Alright, let's go and get rid of this shit. Alright, if you don't have a hydro flask by now, you're missing out. These things are fucking unreal. I'm gonna put this bowl of water in it. Uh-oh. That just went down my fucking gooch. This thing will keep my water cold for like 12 hours or something ridiculous. It just fits perfectly right there. You beaut. Let's go.
Champagne, period.